So in this segment, we'll talk about family engagement and boundary setting. So it's perfectly normal to show up differently in different situations. We all do that sometimes. And sometimes when we leave for college, that becomes even more pronounced, meaning who we are at school and who we are at home feels really different. And that can be even more so when you're a first-generation college student. You really feel this real distinction between who you are at school and who you are at home. That may be your experience, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. So if you're, for example, showing up with your parents in one way and then showing up with your friends in another way, it can be really helpful to look at this in terms of your core values, your deeply held human needs. Because this decision to show up in one way with one group of people and show up in a different way with another, this is an attempt to meet needs. Both your own needs and the needs of the other person. For example, if you're queer, but you're not out with your parents, you may be attempting to meet needs for safety or belonging or ease when you're at home. And it also may meet those needs for your family as well, and that may be what you're going for. But if you're out with your friends at college, it may be because you're attempting to meet your needs for community, authenticity, and to be seen. And it may contribute to them meeting those needs as well. And making it a conscious, intentional choice to show up differently can be really empowering, rather than feeling like, oh, why am I doing this? This is strange. It's perfectly normal, and it can be actually a source of power and choice. And when you understand that the needs that you're trying to meet are deep core human needs, and you understand that without shame or blame or judgment, you can cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself. And you can hold yourself with greater self-compassion and self-understanding. And when you're able to do that, you have so much more space to hold the other people in your life with care and understanding as well. And showing up in different ways with different people is one of the ways we set boundaries. And as you deepen into self-understanding and self-compassion and self-acceptance, you become more willing to set boundaries.